everybody. I don't know if how it's looking there, but I shall try to get my iPad up and running. I don't have any music out here because I'm on my back deck. And our video has ended. Let's see. Following. It's hard to see out here. Anyway, come on in. See if we can. I hope I'm in the right spot. I can't get my video up. Stop that. That's yesterday's. Keep that going there. Trying to see if everything is done right. There I am. I got tea. And sorry I'm looking down, folks. I had to put on a little jacket. Robert is working on my window out back. And this jacket is not fitting me right, that's for certain. I got it twisted. So, anyway, it's hard to put something on with two sleeves. So, I have my tea. I don't have anything in my tea yet. But this is my back deck. And it's lovely. Oh my, this smells good. Have you got some tea? See if I can get some comments up here. There we have. There's Sunny Gal. Anyway, I think I'm a little too close. Gotta be careful not fall off my little back step. I need my iPad right here, and I don't have a holder for my stand. So, anyway, so it's tea time. So let's drink up. Oh, this is nice. Robert found that we had a board that was coming out, and he decided it needed to be fixed right away. So he's working on that and making hammering noises out back. Oh, well, outside our studio window. And it was just kind of a bit loud. So I told him to keep working and that we would, it says my battery's low. So he's just going to keep right on working, and we're going to sit out here, and I'm just going to swivel in my little chair, and we're going to have us a good time, just relaxing. My wind chime makes a lovely noise over there. My sister Patty gave me that wind chime, and it makes me happy. So my back deck is just a pleasant little place. Pleasant little place. Yep. So taking a break to sit outside in the sunbeam. I've planted some things today. I got my sourdough going, and it's rising. It's those little monsters are eating up a storm, and it's rising. So I think I'm gonna make some hamburger buns in a minute, and I may cook some hamburgers this afternoon for dinner. Hamburgers and some French fries. Oh, it's a lovely day in our neighborhood. I hear a mower, but I don't hear much of anything else. Robert hammering just a little bit. And it's nice out here. It's still, but I planted some spinach, and I've planted some romaine lettuce. I've planted some mustard greens. I planted 12 square feet of mustard greens. I have planted my pepper plants. I planted my garlic. So it's looking good. So I'm excited to start a little. It's a little. Robert made me a frame, a little 2 foot by 2 foot frame on the outside edges, and that way I can scratch up the ground and plant little squares of things. So I've planted 12 square feet of mustard greens. Yummy. And then I need to plant some radishes, but those are underground crops that'll be next week. Plant radishes. But playing in the dirt and playing in the dough and getting some work done, it's all been fun. Getting a lot of things done. And God is truly blessing us to have time off to spend with our families, even though it's been forced time off. Sometimes we just need to take a break and enjoy the process that we've been given, because we might not ever get this again. We just gotta get some things done. My friend yesterday who gave a dead blow hammer to her son and said, "Here, break these chairs apart." He got out some energy. She got rid of some chairs, and it's a wonderful thing. It is a wonderful thing to be able to accomplish something using kid energy, because kids, they need to use up that energy. They need to get out and walk and run and play and do things. Ben's working on a fence at his house so he can put his little dog out and not have to be on a tether, because he doesn't like that and it makes me cry. And so he went and got some fencing, and they're going to put some fencing up, and they're going to have fun, playing with the dog out in the yard and not have to worry about the dog running out in the street. And he got his collar for Layla with her name on it and his phone number, so we're all happy about that. And it's been fun. My iPad's about to go dead. I don't know why. Everything's frozen up. Close. Yeah, I heard the woodpecker. Did y'all hear my woodpecker? Something's blooming out here. Excuse me. Listen. Hear my birds? Oh, they're happy. Wow. So that's the Blue Ridge. The Blue Ridge Parkway is on that mountain back there. Yep, it's on that mountain behind me. And at night, sometimes you could see cars on it, but there's no cars on it right now because they have it closed down. But it's getting closer. Where is it? I don't see the woodpecker. But we like to feed the woodpeckers. Where is our woodpecker feeder? That's our woodpecker feeder. It doesn't have any suet in it right now. This one has a lot of suet in it. I have one other one right here. And right beside me is a feeder that Robert gave me for Christmas one year. He made it out of copper pipe, and we hang our feeders from this. And we've had yellow finches all day, California finches, goldfinches, all day. They've been happy. And we had a hummingbird the other day. Yep, hummingbird. That woodpecker's happy. Well, thank you everybody for. Leanne and I have a big surprise for you, and it won't be till tomorrow. And we are so excited to unveil something for you. So you be standing by tomorrow. Maybe by tomorrow afternoon we'll have it ready to go. But we have a whole new section going up on our website for something you've been asking for. Yep, you've been asking for it. And Leanne and Mark have made it happen. Yeah. Where are? is it? Let me see if I can find it. This is my feeder. This is my feeder. And there's Robert's treehouse. But I don't know where. If you follow this big, you see these two trees with the white thing right in the middle? One of them is a dead tree. And let me see if I can do that and show it to you. Well, no, it's not going to work. I'm going to have to take the camera off. Take the phone off of here so I can show. One of them has the top cut out of it. It was a rotten tree. It was dead. So we left it up there for the woodpeckers. So they have their own little place. They've been chewing it up. So we have woodpecker habitat. And they love it. They love it. A treehouse. Yeah, that's our treehouse over there. Maybe I'll walk you to the treehouse. So this is my clematis. Uh-oh, I walked into it. It makes me happy. And I heard the big bird. I don't know where the woodpecker is, but he is having fun. So this is the path to the treehouse. It's a Dr. Seuss path. So you go up a step, and then this is my heavy-duty wind chime. Heavy-duty wind chime. And it takes a lot of wind to make that thing blow. That's my dining room right there in those windows. So here's another step going up. Another step. And now we turn again. And then over that away is where our fire pit is. Out that direction. And then here is Robert. Go up another step to the treehouse. Now that's a cat door. The cat comes in and out that door. And then we have some lanterns right here. But Robert has electricity out here. We have to keep it locked because things get trapped in here. So we have dog beds, people bed, blankie, books that Robert's reading, the grill. I can't believe he wanted to put the barbecue grill out here. Ceiling fan. He has sconces that have lights. Ceiling fan comes on, lights come on. I think there's a bird nest up there. So Robert designed this treehouse. It has a little vent going up, a little chimney there. And we are cooking with gas. Yep. So let me lock it back. I don't know where Tulip is. She's been showing out trying to help me plant today. And we got the back steps going up to the deck. Last year, our insurance got canceled on our house because when we built our back deck, we didn't have any rails in there, any slats. I wanted it open. And we had insurance for 20 years, and then somebody said, no, that's not good. So Robert put all this in last year. And then we got insurance again. But wow, look at everybody here. Turn it around again. See if I can get this situated on the Blue Ridge. We just took a little walk because Robert was working and I didn't want to stop him from working. So we live in western North Carolina, about 5 miles from downtown Brevard, and it's just I said to Robert last night, thank you for not living in a city. I don't think I could have handled living in a big city, especially right now. And I've always lived rural. I have never lived in a city except when I was helping Ben this past fall and winter. Never lived in a city. It's kind of nice, you know, being close to everything. But we're only 5 minutes from town, 15 minutes from a Mexican restaurant. We're good. And sometimes you just need to sit out on a back deck and take in all the sights and sounds. Just close your eyes and listen to what's going on around you. I hear a lawnmower and a woodpecker, but I don't hear the woodpecker right now. I hear a hammer, but it's just pleasant. And I thought I wanted you to enjoy it with me. Yep. We have a tennis ball on the wall over by the door so that when the wind blows the door, it doesn't break the hinges. And the birds love to peck on it. There's my wind chime. And I hear a hammer. And the birds are back. We have birds. And I see a woodpecker. He's going up the tree. Just scooting up that tree. See if he's gonna hammer. I heard it. Anyway, y'all, take some time to go sit out on your back porch. Send us pictures of your back porch. Happy little birds. When you can make a critter happy, you've done a good thing for the day. Yep. You've done a good thing. Thank you for everything that you do for me. And you make my life have meaning, and I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. I know a lot of you have been thrown into homeschooling. I just got off the phone with Tammy, and I suggested to her that she send out her homeschooling newsletter every day to everybody. And she said she'd think about it. She'd do it, yeah. So I think I'm going to find today's and resend it out to everybody. And then, because we're all having to homeschool in some form or fashion, and to be a homeschooler, which we've all been kind of forced into it, you have to have routines in place. It makes your life run smoother. It really does. So hug your cup. Have a good day. And I will see you back here in the morning. And you know what time. I love you all. I'll see you later. Bye.